Hi everyone, welcome to this session. So in this session, I am going to discuss about some best books for your IP Math preparation. Okay, a lot of you were asking this question, so I thought it would be best if I explain everything in detail here. All right, okay, let's begin. So before I start, I'll introduce myself. My name is Ishwarya Agrawal and I'm a quantitative aptitude and LRDI trainer at an academy. Okay, all right. So for an academy, we provide you plus subscription, right? So if you go for the plus subscription of an academy, you get all these benefits. All the classes that happen on the platform are live sessions. Every fourth session is a doubt solving session. You get the recording of that lecture also available to you after each and every session. Okay, you will have access to the full length mock tests that happen on the platform, and daily sectional tests are also the part of the platform. So the material that is given on the platform, the mock test, the sectional test, the questions, everything is so exhaustive. Okay, so you will get a lot of amazing content from here. Okay, now so for quantitative aptitude, as you know that in DUJAT exam, in IP Mat Indore exam, you have a higher mathematics section as well. Okay, so for that you need to solve these NCERT textbooks for class 11th and class 12th. Okay, so these are three books. For class 11th we have one book, for class 12th we have two books. Okay, so you need to solve these books also. Very important, can't skip this. Okay, all right. Now see, in these books there are some chapters which are not relevant for IP Mat exam. Okay, there are certain chapters that you don't need to study. So I have made a list of all the chapters that you need to study for your BBA exams. Okay, let's see. So from class 11th NCERT book, you need to study these chapters. Okay, please take a note of this list. All the chapters are not inclusive here. Okay, so you need to study sets, relations and functions, trigonometric functions, complex and quadratic equations, inequalities, permutations and combinations, binomial theorem, sequences and series, straight lines, limits and derivatives, and probability. So from class 11th NCERT book, you need to study these chapters. And if you ask me what are the important chapters from here, so I am going to mark them. Functions is very important, trigonometric functions very important, complex numbers, and sequences and series. Okay, these four chapters are more important ones. To finish these chapters first, then you have to solve the other chapters. All right, now let us discuss what are the topics you need to cover from class 12th book. So from class 12th NCERT book, the book is actually divided into two parts. Okay, one is from the first book, you need to solve all the chapters. So all 6 chapters from the first book. Matrices, determinants, very important. Functions again, very important. Okay, then you have to from the next book, you can study integrals and applications of integrals. Applications of derivatives is also important. Okay, but this should be your order in which you prepare. Okay, so give more preference to matrices, determinants and trigonometry, and then you can solve the calculus part as well. Okay, so these two books, NCERT. Now next for your quants. Okay, for your arithmetic, algebra, everything. Okay, so for this you need to solve this book. So if you are at a beginner level, if you have just started your preparation for CAT 2022 exam or CAT 2023 exam, then this is the book you need to start with. Okay, now by studying from this book, I mean that you have to attend all the sessions, learn all the concepts with me in your sessions, in YouTube sessions, special classes as well as plus classes. Okay, and after that for practicing, you can stick to this book. Okay, now in this book also the questions are given in various levels of difficulties. So I suggest you to solve level of difficulty 1 first, and once you are done with LOD 1, then you can move to LOD 2. Okay, and when you are solving the examples, okay, where solutions are also given, do not refer to the solution at first. Since you have already learned the concepts in the sessions, try to solve the questions using the tricks, using the techniques we have discussed in the classes. Okay, so this book you have to use for your practice purpose. All right, okay. Now this book is also a very good book for your IP Mat quantitative aptitude preparation. This is R.S. Agrawal for quantitative aptitude. Okay, so this book is also you have to solve. So this is also for your practice purpose. All right, this is also for your practicing. So please solve all the questions that are given in this book. Try to solve maximum of them. Okay, so as I always say that in your preparation for any competitive exam, especially for IP Math. Consistency is very important, accuracy is very important, and speed is very important. And how can you develop speed? By practicing regularly, right? So for regular practice, if you are practicing 1 hour daily for quantitative aptitude for the CAT 2022 exam, then you can practice from this book. Okay, so take out 1 hour daily, practice the questions, solve the questions from this book. Okay, and also guys, do not download the books from any source. You can download the Kindle version or you can go for the hard copy of the book. Okay, all right. Now, this book is for logical reasoning. So as we know that logical reasoning is an important part of your IP Math Rohtak exam. There are 40 questions that are asked from logical reasoning, which makes logical reasoning a very important section. Logical reasoning part is not in your IP Math Indore exam, okay? But still you have to study for it if you are planning for other BBA exams as well. So for that, you can solve the questions from this book. Okay, R.S. Agrawal, Logical Reasoning, Modern Approach to Logical Reasoning. Now in some of the BBA exams, there are certain questions on visual reasoning as well. Okay, so for visual reasoning also, you will be able to find the questions in this book, so you can solve them as well. Alright, I hope this point is clear. Please take a note of this book also for logical reasoning section. Now, verbal ability. See, for verbal ability, working on your vocabulary is very important, working on your grammar is very important, and maintaining stamina for reading online is very important. Your reading speed is also taken into consideration, right? Reading, you have to increase the speed of your reading as well as speed of your comprehension as well. Okay, so when you read anything, you should be able to understand it at the same time, right? So that obviously will come with practice, so you have to practice a lot. So the first book for verbal ability that I recommend is Word Power Made Easy by Norman Lewis. Okay, so after you're done with this book, I'm not saying you have to read this book, right? You have to give 30 minutes or 1 hour daily to this book. This will definitely help you with your interview rounds and written ability test that happens after you crack the exam, and this will be helpful for you in vocabulary section as well. Okay, so consider this as an exercise book. Okay, so this is must. And then is Arun Sharma book for verbal ability and reading comprehension for CAT. Okay, so since this book is for CAT, so you can even use this book for your IP Math exams as well. Okay, so again I'm saying you have to attend the sessions, learn everything, learn the concepts, learn the tricks from the sessions and apply it in the questions from this book. So this book is for your practice purpose only. Alright, okay, now so after you are done with all the books that we have discussed so far, these are some additional books that you can use. Okay, so solving all the previous year questions is very important, right? So for previous year questions, I'll be taking the classes regularly for quants also, for logical reasoning also, IP Math Indore, IP Math Rohtak, for DU Chat exams, right? These PYQ sessions will be held regularly. So this is must attend, okay? Because when you see any previous year questions, I'm sure you'll be able to solve some of them or most of them, depends on your preparation. But when you attend the PYQ sessions, you know what is the correct way of approaching the question, the shortest possible, the ideal way of solving the question, okay? And this will definitely help you with your preparation, okay? Now, so for solving the previous year questions, I recommend Disha Publications for your previous year questions. So do not purchase this book right away if you're planning for CAT 2022 exam, right? So just go for the books we have discussed previously in this video so far, okay? Solve from them, and when you start solving PYQs, at least once you have covered 50 to 60% of your syllabus, then you can go for this book. All right, now next is your Pearson book. This screenshot of the book is given here, right? Complete Companion for IP Math, IIM Indore IPM Entrance Examination. This book will also be useful for other BBA entrance examination. Again, I am repeating, do not refer to the solutions and all given in this book. After you're done with the entire syllabus or after you're done with one chapter, you can practice from this book. Alright, try to solve all the questions that are given in this book. Alright, so guys, you do not need to purchase the NCERT books. The NCERT books are readily available online. You can visit the NCERT website and download the NCERT books from there. Alright, okay, yes. Now, So there are a few upcoming special classes that I want to inform you about. Tomorrow I'll be taking a complete IP Math strategy session for the students who are aspiring for IP Math 2022 exam. How to prepare and from where to prepare, which topic to start first, which topic should be, what should be the order in which all the topics you need to cover, everything. How to attempt the mock test, when to start attempting the mock test, how many mock tests should you attempt, how much time you should devote to the exam, okay, daily routine, everything you can discuss with me in this complete IP Math strategy session. Okay, so I request you guys to please join me tomorrow, that is Saturday at 6 p.m. on the special class. Okay, and you can use my code AAISH10 to join me for this special class. This is completely free. Okay, so I hope I'll see you guys there. Now, if you join me for this strategy sessions, see on YouTube, when you attend the sessions, you won't be able to ask doubts in between, right? In special class, there are some additional features. The classes are such that students can make the full use of it. They can make maximum out of it. Okay, so these are interactive classes. You have polls for the learners, means if any question is given, 4 options are given. We can create a poll for that and all of you can answer there. Okay, so this will help you to give a better understanding of the topic. This will help you to know where you stand currently. Okay, there is a raise a hand feature also. You can discuss your doubts with me in the class. Okay, you can even get notifications of each and every class. Okay, so that you don't miss any class. You just have to enable your notifications on the app and then you will get a notification whenever a class is starting. Okay, after the end of each and every session you will be able to download the notes of the session. On YouTube you cannot download the notes of the session, right? But here you can download the PDF, so while you are there in the class you can concentrate on learning more and taking the notes can be done later also, right? Also the recording of the special class is also available to you. And you can watch this session from anytime from anywhere. This will work on your mobile phone. This will even work on your laptop. Okay, so please do join me tomorrow at 6 p.m. I'm looking forward to meet you guys to discuss the strategy for IP Math exam. All right. Okay. So if you guys feel that there was something inappropriate in this video, you can share your feedback with us in the link that is given in the description. Yeah, so new batch for 2022 BBA exams is starting very soon. So all those who haven't taken the Plus subscription yet, please go for it using my code AAISH10. Now, you can join us on Telegram also. This is the link given here. Okay. Now, this is an offer that is going on at Unacademy, that if you take the IP Math subscription for 1 year, you get 2 months of subscription free. And if you take the IP Math subscription for 2 years, you get 3 months of subscription free. Okay, so this will cover your preparation for IP Math as well as other BBA exams as well. Okay. Now, so the cost of subscription for 2 years is 30,000. So if you are in 11th standard, you can go for it. And if you are in 12th standard, you can go for 1 year of subscription at the cost of 20,000. And you can use my code AAISH10 to get 10% off this entire course fee. This is for all the subscriptions for all the months. Okay. Alright then, thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope this was useful for you. I hope you have taken the note of all the books that I've recommended here. So keep practicing from these books and you can even ask me your doubts in the special classes. See you tomorrow at 6 p.m. Thank you so much.